Hello, I am Mr. Shei, Assistant to the Director of Innovation Hub and Creative Technologies, Dr. Abel Osage, who also doubles as a doctor in physics and geophysics. Now, very briefly, I'll be taking you step-by-step guide as to how you can make use of the Physics 103 learning management system as a student. Now, first of all, the first thing that you must do is that you must have filled the Physics 103 course registration for 2024-2025 session. This is a link which will be posted on your various platforms, especially on the Physics 103 platform. So ensure you fill that. And if you are filling that with your matric number, if you don't have a matric number yet, you can fill that with your JAM registration number. So when you have a matric number, you can provide that to me in order to replace it with your matric number. Now, if you have filled the form with either your JAM registration number or your matric number, if you have, all you have to do is to proceed to the learning management system, this link, which will also be provided on the platform. Now, once you have done that, you log in with your JAM registration number, which you use in filling the form just immediately after you have gotten a notification on the group that you can now log in. So you log in with your JAM registration number, but if it's your matric number that you use in filling the form, ensure to log in with your matric number. So once you type your matric number here, once you type your matric number here, once you have a matric number typed here, the general password or the default password to use is user star 2025. User star 2025. Ensure that the U is in capital letter. Star 2025 as the password. Now, having done that, once you log in, the first thing that you will see is a prompting page to change your password. Ensure you use the password that you can always remember. Ensure you change it to the password that you can always remember. It is very important. So once you log in and you change the password to the password that you can remember, the next thing that you will see is a welcome page from our director, who also is your lecturer. And if you look at the top left hand side, you will see dashboard and my courses. Now, for those that are using phone, you will see something more of like this. You will see something like this. Don't be afraid. All you have to do is to just click top left hand side and you will see my courses. Proceed to my courses immediately. And once you proceed to my courses, you will see Physics 103, of which you are registered under. Click on Physics 103. Once you've done that, make sure you read the course description. It is very, very important. The course description will give you information on what Physics 103 entails and what you are supposed to expect, including your grading system for Physics 103. It is very important that you read through the course description from top to bottom, from the very first word to the very last word. Do not miss it. Now, if you scroll down just a bit, you will see the modules. There are 10 modules total, which is one module per week, meaning there are 10 weeks of learning on the Physics 103 course. 3 modules are open currently, which is visible for you to see, and subsequently the modules for the 4th week will be open on the 4th week. If you look here closely, if you look at this, can you see this panel over here? If you look here, you will see that you can see an overview of the modules. For the week 1, which is module 1, vibration and waves, for the week 1, you will see the content within it. These are the contents within it. If you click on week 1 or module 1, it will load you directly to module 1. And if you look through it, you will see that the first thing that you will see is you will learn about of that particular week. Ensure to read it. Now, if you look at this part, you will see completion, meaning that once you have read through all these PDF, this particular PDF, once you read through it, ensure to click on mark as done. Now, for those who love to have a hard copy of PDF, if you don't want to read online, but if you want to read online, you can just click on this PDF at this part here. You can just click on it, which will load you directly to a page that is just for the PDF, where you can see a full screen view of the PDF. And for those who love to read offline, maybe you want to print out the PDF, you can just download this PDF and read it, print it and read it at your convenience. Now, it means that if you are done studying this PDF, you can come here and click on mark as done. Ensure to always do this. This is part of your attendance on Physics 103. Ensure to always mark as done so that your learning can be monitored. And if your learning is monitored, it means you are going through the course step by step. Now, if you scroll down, you will see that it is not just PDF that is on this learning management system. It is made up of also videos. And if you click on the videos, you can watch the videos as part of your learning. Once you are done watching the videos, all you have to do is to click here and also click on mark as done. You must ensure to always click it. Now, if you scroll down again, you see another video. Once you are done watching that video, always click on mark as done. Now, if you scroll down, you see that apart from video, we also have a virtual lab demonstration. This is part of your learning. We also have a virtual lab demonstration. It is a virtual laboratory, just like we have a physical lab. This is a virtual laboratory where you can demonstrate or practicalize on what you have learned so far on the topic, which is vibration and waves, vibration motions. So on this virtual lab, for you to be able to practicalize, all you have to do is to click here. So once you click here, it will automatically load you to the virtual lab where you can demonstrate or practicalize on your learning. So all you have to do is to click and begin your practice on vibrations and motions. Now we are going back to the page. If you scroll down, you will see that there's a task for you to do. Ensure to always read everything step by step. Once you have done these tasks, once you have arranged your tasks in a document or in a PDF or MS Word format, once you are done with that, you come back to this page and click here for you to submit your answers. Make sure you submit within deadline. So once you click here, it will load you to a form where you can pick your answers, then submit it automatically to this form. Now let's go back to our learning management system. Now if you scroll down just a bit again, you will see a discussion forum for week 1, which is still on vibration system. Now if you click on it, you can subscribe to the discussion forum. I'm already subscribed here, but if you are not subscribed, you see subscribe. You can subscribe to the discussion forum and you can follow discussions that concerns this week 1 subject matter. You can as well add a discussion topic, meaning a comment, to this discussion forum. And if you are subscribed, once there's a message or notification of a new message on the discussion forum, you will definitely get a mail on that particular discussion. Now if you go back again, you scroll down again, the last thing that you see is test. This test is for week 1 text. Now the tests are always open Fridays of every week, meaning next week, meaning if it's week 2, the test will be open Friday for week 2 and it will close on Sunday of that same week by 11:59 p.m. midnight. Now once you are done with the test, okay, if you want to start the test, all you have to do is to click on the test. Now the test contains 20 questions and you have 12 minutes to answer the question. The attempt allowed is just 1, meaning that you can only attempt this quiz once. And for you to start the attempt, all you have to do is to click on preview quiz, then click on start attempt. Once you start, ensure you do not close your browser. Make sure you have a stable internet so that it does not slow down your timing or your text. Always ensure that you do your test within deadline. Do not wait until Sunday midnight before doing your test. Ensure you always do your test within deadline. Now if we click here, this part here, we can move to week 2 from here. So once you move to week 2, you can find every other thing that concerns week 2 on this particular page. Ensure you always click on complete, mark as done. Immediately you are done reading for a particular section, ensure you always click on mark as done. Immediately you are done reading for that particular section. Now, this is all about how to make use of your learning management system as a Physics 103 student. If you have any question, always reach out to me on WhatsApp through the Physics 103 platform, WhatsApp platform. Or you can direct your questions to your course rep who will also reach out to me from the Physics 103 WhatsApp platform. Thank you very much. See you in class.